porn as an idol to break free from. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Okay, so many people don't understand that when you keep going back to something and you've basically put it on a pedestal and it is in some regard running your life because you feel like you need to go to it to complete who you are, to feel okay, to feel whole. That is what happens when people develop a compulsive habit towards pornography. So you feel like you have to keep going back to it so that you can feel some pleasure and you can get yourself out of pain. That becomes an idol. And so then people think idols are going to complete them. So this might happen with your work. This might happen with a boyfriend or a girlfriend or your partner. There's many idols that we can, money, right? But I won't even go there. There's many idols that people will create in their life as the thing that's going to complete them, the thing that makes them feel okay. I am here to tell you, you are okay. You're actually better than okay on the inside. And to be able to break free from this habit, you have to know that. You have to know that you are completely whole and wonderful in there. You've just got sidetracked by thinking that this thing is going to make you better than you are. So you need to backpedal to thinking about your purpose in your work, in your relationships, and in your hobbies. What do you love to do? Because when you get on purpose in those three ways, you don't need to run back to something to help you feel whole and complete. You realize you already are. Then you're able to actually act on that and you become more purposeful in your work and in your relationships and in your hobbies so that you can keep feeling better about yourself without having to run back to the idol that honestly is not making you feel better about yourself. It may have the first time or two because of that dopamine dump in your brain, but after that we know that your body is creating neo-homeostasis, so it's always going to need more and more and more. It literally will never satisfy. That is the essence of it. And honestly, that's the essence of idols, is that they make you feel great originally, but then they keep you going, going, going. It's like always striving, never arriving. And that creates this neurochemical release in your brain that keeps you going towards it. And that's proven by science. It's called incentive salience theory. It's the wanting that makes you go back for more, not the getting. And so that's mind-blowing for people when they figure out that basically I am attracted to the wanting. That is keeping me wanting and wanting and wanting. You're never going to get there because the finish line keeps moving. So how do you get out of that? You break the habit. You bring those levels in your brain back down. You reestablish homeostasis in your brain of the neurochemical release so that you don't need more and more and more. You can feel great in your life. You can realize you're enough. You don't need this habit to make you feel better. Okay, so I hope that helps you out. And if you would like help in this journey, reach out to me, drtrishleigh.com. I have lots of programs there, different ways that we can work together, and I would absolutely love to help you out if it feels good. Okay, and remember, control your brain, or it'll control you.